Hi friends, we are so happy that you are here on our channel, and we will show you right now how to report on Instagram. So if this topic is interesting for you, let's go to the watching. The first step is to open our app, and I will tap on Instagram. Right now we are on our home page, but later we need to choose the selected account we want to report. So I will use our second additional account as an example. And today I will show you how to report the whole account, the next way how to report the selected post on the profile, and later how to report the reel. So let's go to the button again and repeat all of the steps on your own device. So the first step is to report the whole user, the whole profile. I just need to open this profile and tap on the three dots icon at the top. Later we have the third option like a report. Let's click on it one time. And next we have, as I said before, different options like to report the whole account or to report the selected post, message or comment. I will choose right now the second option. And later we need just to specify the reason why we want to complain about this account, this user. I will choose the first option, and later we need to specify the reason again, and I will choose the first again because I just want to read everything here. But don't forget that we have a really different reasons why we want to report this user. So I will choose the first one, spam. Later everything is done okay, is done perfect. We need to pick on the next blue K at the bottom. And also we have additional options like to block or to restrict the selected user. I want to show you this process today, but if you are interested in this, you can also find our tutorials about these topics on our channel. So let's go to the button too, and you will be able to find the needful guide without any troubles, I'm sure. So later, if you want to block or restrict this user, you just need to swipe notification down and everything is perfect. You can go to your profile, but I will tap on the show profile option inscription below to bring back our selected account user. And right now I will show you how to report the post. So let's find some post I want to report, and I will tap on this one. So if I want to hide this post, I just need to pick on the same three dots icon at the top bar at the top corner of the screen, and I have some red option like report. Let's pick on it one time. And although here we need to select the reason, I will tap on the first option as before. And as you can here, we can read what the Instagram will do after reporting. Okay, so if you really want to report this post, let's tap on the next K and wait a minute. Also, we have two different options to block or to restrict, but I will swipe them down. And as you can see, we have an alert that this process was successfully saved. Later, we can also report some reels. Let's pick on the reels section. We can find it is the second option at the top bar, and click on the selected reel. To report it, let's pick on the three dots again, and we have the same report option. Let's choose the reason like spam and next. Wait a minute and swipe down. So right now this reel and the post we report are smoothly and successfully hidden, and right now you won't receive some same or really some same posts and notification stories and reels which have the same topic or are similar. So Instagram will really need some time to check this account and to find out if this account is really dangerous or not. If it is, Instagram will block will froze or even delay this selected user, but you just need to wait some time because Instagram need to check this user's activity and find out if we have really some dangerous from this user. So right now I hope that you know how to use this report option, and it's really very simple. I hope that you can do this successfully on your account, on your Instagram. So guys, don't forget about likes and also follow our channel to check other interesting tutorials, guides, videos, and have a nice day, have a nice time with us. Goodbye.